So this is my 550. I bought this about 11 years ago, something like that. Put it in a shed and it stayed there ever since because I didn't have time to do anything. It came in boxes and I shall just have a quick sort of scoot round what I've got. So there's the frame. There's some forks in there. There's a big box of, let's have a look, box of pieces and stuff. In here is, I don't know, wheels I think in there. There's the back rack. There's a couple more wheels here, one untouched. This here is a box of bolts, screws, the whole bolt set for the bike apparently. I don't know, it might be, it might not, because I've not had a chance to look through all the stuff. It just got put in here. So we've got swing arm down here. That's main stand, centre stand. That says mud guard on it. So I'm assuming, yeah, there's a whole new mud guard all chromed. What we got? A seat. So this is what I got. Boxes and boxes of bike. I don't know if it's all the same bike. I have a feeling there might be, if I remember rightly, two steering stems, trees, whatever. And then, oh look at that, look. A beautifully maintained box of shite. There's some pistons in there. There's, I think it might be all 4 pistons. Clutch. Bits and pieces. Oh, there's a sump filter. Don't know, there's another box underneath here. Let's have a look in there. Oh yeah, there we go. I knew there was another one. The top of the steering column. So that is that. Can't move that back. We've got the cases. The cases are there. Don't know what state they're in. Now, boxes at the back. It's a big reveal. What have we got? Some plastics, exhausts. Good, glad they're there. Some more plastic bits. Sorry, light's not brilliant. Yeah, there's some nonsense in there. This is as much of a surprise to me as it is to everyone else. Oh, that looks like electric bits. It's a bit dark. Let's just have a... There we go. Better, now we can see. There's all sorts of bits. Light pieces, fittings and stuff. There's another box on the bottom there. So it's a CB550. There's more boxes down there. That looks like engine parts down in these boxes here, because I think all the heavy stuff was in big heavy plastic boxes. Let's just have a look. I'll stop you for a second. So, hello again. In these boxes there is the cylinders, the head. We've got a tank is in here, black tank. We've got chrome bits. These look like they're old that have been re-chromed. That is the wheels, centre hub, rear hub brake, bits and pieces. I know there's some bearings in there. We've got some side cases, bottom case, and in the bottom of that, the cam. Oh god, there's all sorts in there. There we go, some bits and pieces. So this is my project, and over the next couple of months, my plan, let's have a look at that. Look. There we go. My plan is to have a look and see what I can get done. So I've never done this before. I have stripped a bike down to its frame, rebuilt it, but at that point the engine was complete. Oh, I think we've got some new front fork suspension bits. So yeah, previously I've rebuilt a CB550. But the engine was in good condition and I didn't do anything with it. I just rebuilt the bike. So this is a bit of a mystery. Nice seat there underneath all this stuff. It's in reasonable condition. Tank is in good condition. I know I've had a look at that. Yeah, I shall keep you informed as I go. Thank you very much. See you soon.